Welcome to part 1 of the first Automation OS tutorial. Here we're going to start from the very basics, show you the first steps you'll need to follow in order to go through the tutorials. So starting here from the Automation OS home screen, you'll see you have 4 choices. We're going to want the sequence editor for this tutorial to create our tasks and to set everything up before we run it. So on the sequence editor screen, you'll see a few menu options: open, new, save, and save as. That's all standard stuff. You'll see the task list, which is currently empty, and then on the right you'll see this area for task details, which we'll see when we have actually created a task. So in order to create our first task, you want to click the right mouse button, choose Insert New Task, and then choose the Action Task option. You see this creates a new task in the list. We have the choice to put in the task name, which we'll call Task 1, and a description, which will become useful when you have long lists of tasks and it's maybe not clear exactly what each one does. You can just put in a quick note. Just below you'll see we have 3 tabs: Predecessors, Resources, and Action Information. For right now we're going to concentrate on Action Information. This is where we actually choose the plugin that we want to use, as well as the action that belongs to that plugin. So for this tutorial, what we're trying to do is make 3 message boxes appear at the same time. So in order to do that, we're going to choose the liken-aos.plugins.notification DLL, and within that there's a series of actions. We're just going to choose the first one, message box. On the parameters tab, you'll see the text box takes 2 parameters: the text for the message box, as well as a caption that appears in the top bar of the dialog box. So for this, we're just going to identify that this is task 1 by using WBS1, or work breakdown structure, and in the caption box we're just going to put tutorial. So that's it for creating our first task. Now I'm going to create 2 more tasks that are identical, albeit with the names task 2 and the message WBS2 and task 3 WBS3. And that's pretty much it. We've created our 3 tasks. We haven't really done anything with predecessors or ordering the tasks, which isn't necessary for this first tutorial, where we'll be running all 3 tasks at once. Now if we go to part 2 of this tutorial, we'll actually show how to run the task and what happens when we do.